more Akroma, everybody daily update is 24/7. There's a some Afrofoni for until every video be na yensa kana a campaign season pa ntino obi ani abre pa NPP campaigner and I say with PA mini PA system make an say mini PA system megaphone and I say a PA system but get 20 that is all you run Suma no say on campaign okita mini PA system na just say a megaphone said the canon no megaphone na just say on also the name and all ye campaign ma NPP but what she already sana kuma mu campaign we nyina o ye mama hama John Dramani Mahama because she already no run air driving or package or rabra oh ye then also o campaign ya I say wakuma mu no ana campaign na we ni nyina che hwan na beto o se ono de obeto mahama obeto mahama abusia there is a campaign we ni nyina no o ye mama hama na kuma mu no onye campaign ma NPP na se o ye campaign ma NDC as a political party abusia je say ora no wa shock me pa je say on the street there's a one street in so a campaign mama with a mini PA system as usually cause a megaphone. I actually some PA machine megaphone American. Look closely. So if you don't know, you should closely to the NPP man now or shit party atadena or a campaign mama with mini PA system they kind of megaphone no. I actually say everyone is same. To no cousin, I'm sure. Now some man is calculated they will say the victory of Mama is coming again. There's already any aji or two one akuma musa because there's a passion. There's this time na NPP for ankasa mumuno ombeto abama Mahama. Oh well, because with PA system na there's oh say kase obeto abana Mahama dia the campaign is strictly for JM. Obusinkwe video no. Kelvin tell akasembi na enono na po nsem bi okoka nze NDC fuoku yaso fuoku kudam ye beka wasem na yeko tie video ni wie na eno no achi no na edi ho nkomo achi sa audio
yes nti wo adwuma na NPP
media na kam ya NDC
na ye den
na bibinti
ene nsi aba NPP
sese graduate wa sayi
nti se o NDC na se wo NPP
media
can occur on my no yes
media match me catch up praying
said ye
anya pray fa me matuma ba ma alaji
Mahmudu
baomia nya baomia
right your mama na
jo mahama so no ya alaji na
aya no style yeah untu ba to aba ma hwan
media presidential dem matwa
Mahama ye the MP asam NPP na so NDC ni
minima bi wo free
MP we do bo atade no so oy MPP ni won
MPP
nti tuma Mahama wati
metu me metuma bama me atamas metuma rones metuma mi to na me
ya menshira wa beto Mahama dia iska wai so beto Mahama
me kame mame wa wo shafo
beto Mahama so beto Mahama
metu ay what below
Ubata Mahama
metu
ubato
opa mami modua
godua sama to Mahama
mami wa wo shafo sabne askandi sisa Amadu sisa
yeah
then as somebody from a minority tribe ebedi Ghana so for 8 years or 12 years into Omontiasia, that was the main thing and no because JJ Rawlings no if minority tribe we never accepted JJ Rawlings because now the Pakuobi Jane said JJ Rawlings or Nisa obedi the Pakuobi so because or minor tribe nipa or JJ Rawlings is free and sa ayede yene infantifo eso ya kamfo na yene mu bi yehu ya say infantifo kra de omagimi they don't deserve to lead some group of tribe in Ghana no Atamilto was treated the same way. Then he came to John Mahama, another lesser tribe person Enti sa ade amka say adentini ye hu say Nana Akufo-Addo Bawumia the idea ni nyina ne say na nipa dodo na ya madwene say e wo say ye de de Nana Akufo-Addo ba. Enti Bawumia keka nkwasi asem ni nyina no na ehia Ghana fo group na no the NPP anim no 90% just wanted Akufo-Addo to take over from the minority guy, and the minority is John Mahama or Gonjani to mean the Akani. So until the idea was that it does not matter how foolish Akufo-Addo is. Whatever Bawumia said at that moment, they had hooked Bawumia to Akufo-Addo. Until Bawumia can kwasi asem ya, they at the end of the day link it to Akufo-Addo and say yes, even though they didn't like Bawumia. Even though Bawumia was not their first shot, as far as Akani Eda Ayateni Nenimuno, they would prefer to push the ticket. And just check here. Nana Danko Akufo-Addo. Time and Bawumia can kwasi asem. The media did not care about Bawumia to fact check Bawumia. They didn't care. They always moved the message. Adentra se power ne ba Ayakani ne di enim. So when Bawumia was fooling and lying, majority of the media knew he was lying, but when amu enebeko mu favor, majority of the account media and they knew say NPP winia eye Akani enebedi Ghana so. As far as Akani nkwa de, you say omo na bu omo be say o petumi aton wo maame kwaji tumi wo wia na obeje wo maame. Enti omo ton eye de sa moral right no omo ton sa intelligence no sa nyansa na nko som de busa question omo ton di ye e na mo say yen kwaji tumi ni wie ye gi wie na sa tani we no ya hwe de be ye. Enti Bawumia nyoma na oye nyina no it was favoring. That's all. That is all. But so who study Napo utterances? Who study Bawumia utterances? I said these two people, they don't even deserve to lead the NPP. The two of them, they don't cut it for me. They don't. And then today, how did we get here? How did we get here as a nation? And then I go for me anyway, NPP, flag bearer and running mate. Now, after this short break, quick break.
Omukwasofo Kesi me no Ghana ha na fe ba ko di fu asare na fe ba ko brother amwako owo yira wi aketekete owo o ma ni o omukwa bosofo na drobo okoye HIV agro ye kuni shegura mebu ana owo na sabu pum kramo sore dai o ti zongo na tuma NDC obo obebu bu asore dai o ri awa be simochiri na wu awa edai wakodem Obisi hospital, no Obisi Mochi. Open hospital and Upper Mochi. Open hospital and Upper Mochi. Obama school and Obama.
So, sir, I did where you want. Remember, you want because my make been strong. From 2008, right? This is how the NPP they have actually done their campaign. From 1996. The reason why I ended up expose you on say, so we studied 2008, eba 2010.
Abusia mwakwaba na mi sure video ni akohwe no ye nyina ehu owura no NPP ni no a o se obeto amama na campaign a wo ye nyina on the street a ye ka se won nyina NPP ni ka se won nyina no ni aim is what for JM to come to victory. Abusia the name komoy enyine hu campaign na poye campaign na po na po and I go say don't vote for Mahama and NDC. If you vote for Mahama oba munzongo for bubu mu masalachi no de si mo chere ayede amamo asema na po eka no na one NDC for kum sofu bia o se sofu amoakon astant to go bo sofu fo bi din se NDC for an ekomu abusia napo these are political propaganda napo angasa I think that he actually need a tutorial on communication because campaign amoye right intino because NDC for eku osofu bia wo so what are evidence to this in good things about Kelvin we Kelvin tell anu the same and I may read the channel. It's equal to some on one present fact no. I had daily ability so political and no share jumadi no na like
11, 12, 13. Obia nim de Akufo-Addo ne NPP ko kan wo nkura se me wa. We didn't know. We had no idea their message when they went to the villages. Even Kufuor. From Kufuor time ana omo campaign. Omo ba Akroma. Their message different from message omo di we kurasi o. It is a study NPP now. From time it has always been making sure they play on the emotions of people through lies. It is because of social media and now say, hey, now in 2024, a running mate party me ko jina stage. And you know some way. One can cry, one can kumas, one can talk radio, or kura sebio esaka kremu. And that is what they do in the small towns and villages. So mo kon krasia. Nana do danko Akufo-Addo ne Bawumia musisu no. What they did during Bawumia ne Akufo-Addo time no, mame short trick no. Omo ma Bawumia etena nkran ne Kumase ene takrade ene na oye symposia and symposiums ene o kambrofo, right? Ene na Akufo-Addo ko nkurase one osafo mafo. Omo ko nkurase na omo ka che nkurase fo ne se JJ Rawlings party ni nie omo ba beku ahemfo. Omo ba beku asofo. Omo ba be tuotumfo, omo be gi egudie, omo be say enti message na omo de na munkurase no. It was different from messenger. Na Bawumia tenkran edeman kran fo no because oba nkran na oba ekron kese ma sebio emudu do akọ school kakra na. It is difficult for you to come and make such a vague statement. Enti omo NPP for dem omo adapt strategy mienu. On sa statement na po ye no. Bawumia betuma ye ba omo ma Bawumia nye. What they will do is say, na pomo munko nkurase, na ye nuanom asebi omunko school kakra, ye ma amenom na mo ho no. Onfa bibi nko to omutiri mu say, obi pa obeku omo. NDC be di omewu. Na NDC ne ba e Rawlings aban, omo beku omo, omo be se omo se. Enti NPP for no, they have two kinds of strategies. A campaign. Omo campaign message for nkurase for, and omo campaign message for krum for. Abra the NDC campaign message is the same. They just want to send development to the people. In NDC no konkrasia, they are like, we want to build hospital. We want to build school. Ya pese ya mo kwan no. Munji endi na mo fa mbra bem no. Omo firi na NPP ba, omo se won nkofo we, omo ye ntafo. Won we mu JJ Rawlings asefo, omo ye togofo ya nwonafo. We mu no ani se omo di mu so. Omo ba mahemfo no omo wa ha no. Omo betu omo ade so, omo ye bom tuo. E den na 2024. Obi a wo se wo ye doctor. Obi a wo so wo PhD. Obi a wo say what's na parliament. Eye den na wenya running mate position a utumi ko gina baby ka say NDC for ekum sofo ekum traditionalist NDC for ekum sofo binti and the Ghana for kom no ma omo remfi nti de omo nkai say NPP kun sofo kwase ampanyi bi a minimu no. You see the kind of politics these foolish people do. Maka just a party no. A party, it was built out of their hate and a tribe. It is party campaign, a emotional campaign. And it's about emoji. It is not about you. It's about what they will get. It is out here na po na okan semsia utie na asem no o say sauti zongo na se wotoma NDC a muntie na po okan video no se uti zongo na wotoma NDC a NDC best say o dia o masalachi tie. This is the message o de na munkurase tie na pokwasi ampanyi we asantememu no free o na pokwasi ampanyi we eye asantememu no di MP na pokwasi ampanyi we inkremofo a omosom eye den ala omokọ masalachi eye dwuma omo emu bi na to abama akwasi awe ya bozongofo nson ewo asawase wo asantememu na pobesi de onka bi but wetuma kwakurase wo ka kire sebi oye nuanom nkremofo bo nkurase se woto abama NDC a obabubu masalachi kwasi awe. You see, they run two kinds of campaigns. And omunim say Ghana for ni be Jimmy. And from 1996, Mami Fanko Chenkodu ya na bafo akoto eti NPP no, they have always preyed on the emotions of the people. It has never been about the development of the people. It is always study NPP for messenger. Every message NPP di about Tribia, it's based on speculations. Yeah. Every single statement that NPP making against NDC Biano is speculations. They have never been able to, at the end of the day, provide evidence to anything they have said against NDC Libya in Ghana till date. Because almost two types of their voters. Almost voters are almost NPP for the name so much Jimmy. Because when they go to the villages, they prey on their emotions. Oh, when we in Crassifo, now Poco catching Crassifo no more say, NDC for dear, Rollins and call for, when we are I want to for, Togo for, Bekumo, Sofubi. Now you get it. Into Wemono, they don't do politics. Me see, from 1992, you be a democratic nation. And some NPP akafa NDC penyini bia ho bia ya tro. They have not been able to prove one. I'm still standing here waiting for NPP ni to say ya ka some way to Rawlings so na ba kumpo e no kora. Ni nyina speculations. Hey. Na unim ya nananom ya papa nom ehun de o meya ye hwe esa no mo campaign tie. Hey, na time brand na wo ho. Hwe yete say ye papa no ka kire ye say na nim de see ye obi antumi ma factual statement. There are no records to assembly NPP for Kafa Rawlings on. Never. And all these statements are built from one community. One tribe that build it a hearsay. They can create hearsay to become factual. And you study JJ Rawlings. Assembly NPP for Kafa JJ Rawlings during or after elections, they were not able to prove one from J. Ekufor Ebesiha and there. And Omokan some to Rawlings so sabesinde in some ankofo to Rawlings so ye hu se nipa ba kumpa ba bontan be ka se na me gina ho na Rawlings ye sei ebesinde na wonim ya de ye nim saa o we mu de omo mpa ya asem ye ne hwe we de ye ntia ase saa o that is the kasa ye nim omo we mu hwe na wonim be omo free we mu ntafo we awonafo we de omo yen ganafo na we mu mfiri he on papa na ntwie no mu nkodi so na omo be den omo be say ye de ha na ti o ohene ne asom no saa kasa no. And when you ask them about the facts ebesinde obi antumi tina radio so nka say this is the fact about JJ Rawlings ebesinde e din say ye ntwa to so omo wie JJ Rawlings good ani ma se wie ye and omo de ba Atamels so Atamels yeso we wukra na onim on de ko abrochiro we wukra Atamels de on mpo de na Atamels yeso onye professor Atamels on mpo de na esi we sa na Atamels team omuku no ebesinde ade bi na omkafa Atamels wan na no kre omu party mu obi atumi ba bonte be ka say asem we na factual we for Atamels on Prof Atamels Infantini Jimmy ni de e de no be die so de bia obi agimi omo nko na nim nyansa obi agimi na bunu ni we brekum ni we na Infantini we awonafo de na ngwentafo de bia obi agimi omo nko na ya kekere nsa ensam ne de ato ni paso team Kwame Nkrumah de so no de nzemanfo we obi anim nyansa omo nko ne ya kekere nsam ene de so a de Atamels free ho and at the baye John Mahama a case in say because not Atamels mpodo ya kani na unim say any fantifo de ye nko for mumu ye 10 John Mahama buy because John Mahama sibia obey president no omo no di NPP echi bebre they were not expecting it to happen. They were not expecting so quickly 10 ba be di Ghana so it was a shock. It God in his own wisdom or the way he wants no. When he took the life of Atamels, it was John Mahama who had to be president. It was a shock, and now a plan was supposed to be devised. Because you see, so when creating a plan, CCR fan took John Mahama 10 in this one. Because look at it. Time man Atamels your president, you know. So Atamels every 18 now. People would have contested John Mahama to the point whereby Anka Group B ever tweet here John Mahama if we say, or you're 10 young man, what be the vice president here? You don't have. They were not expecting because they were building blocks in the NDC Anka ever distracted John Mahama from being the president. If John Mahama be a president, that was the biggest shock. Now what do we do? How do we destroy this young man? In his political career, he has been clean. He has gone through the mill. Why MP? Why minister? Why vice president? Now he's president. Every test in our political area school, he has passed through it. So how do we take this guy out? So it was orchestrated not by supporters of NPP, by a handful, by a titiriwa they see John Mahama Teni say and yes I was say or hinibi etumi hu teni or president ebuno. So one, we need to lower the presidency. So the strategy is make sure you lower the presidency. Make sure the importance, the respect you attach it to the Jubilee House. We need to lower that respect at the Flagstaff House. So the first strategy was Ahemfo started disrespecting the president. They started making derogatory statements indirectly through Ebe and Kasakwa against the seat of government. Because one, before they can dominate, before they can destroy that, they need to first make sure your relevance, they've split it into pieces. You cannot just go and take down an honorable man. You first have to.
Stay tuned, stay connected. I daily update 24/7. Yeah, take comment any Emma phones or who are doing the whole issue on board is for comment on bra. Na share Jumedino, Yabeji with all due respect near King Kime. I'm a phone in a who are doing trade daily update 24/7. Juma for detail phone, Bodrum, share Jumedino, God bless you, Yamishaw.